she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me.
Yes, we've just reached FujiQ Highlands. I think it's one of the best theme parks in the world. We saw the rides on the way, and we actually got to see Mount Fuji as well. These are some of the rides there. Really damn scary. The height alone is probably like the scary part, but we'll have to see once we experience it. That extravagant noise.
Yeah. Oh my god. Let's go. Ride. Fuji-yama.
Pretty good. It was just one drop and then everything else was quite smooth sailing. I liked it.
How about you?
It was good.
No, you're scared.
It was good.
How'd you find it?
Very fun.
Yeah.
I'm looking for more.
That's good. I'm scared for the rest. How'd you find it?
My ears were too cold to be
That's
scared.
true, your ears are so red right now.
Pretty cold.
It was so cold, but good first ride. Not ready for the most scariest ride. Went to the most scariest ride here in FujiQ and it wasn't too bad. Oh.
Bye, Jin Jin. Bye, see us.
Please make sure to check the signs and
Fucking scary ride
for these requirements.
that ticket.
So, we just recently emptied our bladders so that we don't do it in there.
Yeah.
Is this correct?
We did, we peed already. Got everything out of our systems.
I swear to God if this moves.
Don't hurt me, but it
If this moves.
didn't move.
Okay, good.
Alright guys, let's get some bottle.
Truce. Time out, motherfucker. Time out.
Alright, cheers, Ian, cheers. Bye. Oh, I wish I had my feet back right now.
Wait, I don't want to be at the back. Roger.
No, I don't want to be in the back.
Falling!
Oh, Jesus.
What the little kids? So little.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Oh yeah.
Look at everything. Look at those giant cats.
Oh, so cute. It's snowing. So cute.
I've never seen snow before.
Yeah.
Yeah, not like this.
Oh, not like falling snow?
Yeah, falling.
Wow, how magical. So cold.
The winning seed is
up there.
what happens when it wins.
Wow.
So shit. I'm never gonna use it. Show them what Lawrence won.
What did you win? I actually don't know. Wait, there's something inside, right? Oh. Okay, next one's over there.
So we just got off the train. It was actually sardines. Look at that. It was squished. Never been so squished in my life. We finally got up. Luckily, it was swapped to the other side of the door, so we could get out really easily.
That's good. So much family.
Look at this Tim stuff.
What?
It's starting. Okay, we're getting chocolate milk. Come on, Roger, let's go. So right now we're boiling our sake here. See the temperature. We got the chocolate one, so hopefully it tastes a bit good. I can see the people next to us, they're kind of making their own dish with like the sprinkles and everything. Maybe we might be able to copy them. We just made we just got a chocolate, I love choco sake, and we also made some cornflakes and chocolate sauce here. I think I was suggesting that we drink the sauce, the shot, then eat it, but I think Roger might suggest that you eat it, then drink it.
I was reckoning eat, drink, eat.
How about you guys try and tell me what's
We're gonna
best?
drink, eat. I reckon that might be easier.
I can eat, drink, eat.
Alright, let's all try it.
Okay.
Alright, take it. Adrian, come on, man.
Why aren't you drinking? Same.
It's good.
Oh, your turn.
Drink, eat.
He's straight bullshit.
I'm not, honestly. Just leave some in your mouth and then drink the shots.
Oh, okay.
Now this is one of the recommended ones, guys. So
Your turn.
It's good. Like, bite it a bit, but don't swallow it, and then drink your shot. And I have more beer as well. And then eat more after. Eat more right after.
It's like a tequila shot where you just salt, lemon, tequila. Oh. I don't think these two enjoy it. But Nelson was pretty happy.
there's a chain as well, but I'm not too sure. Now we saw athletic. This is the athletic forest. This is the
Yeah.
second section.
Oh, is
This is
it?
authentic.
There's one more section after this.
There it is! So pretty! There's Pepe. one. Oh, there goes C.
Like 2 more plates coming, I'm pretty sure.
Jesus.
We have these ones.
Oh my god.
Yummy,
Gyoza
yummy, yummy.
feast.
Gyoza.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Oh, they're all hiding. Look at all these disappointed faces. Actual. Oh, disappointed.
I'm so excited for animals.
Look at that. Look at this one too.
The dogs just sleep. They don't do anything else.
How much did you pay for this?
880 yen plus tax.
Start.
For
Do you
this
think I
one.
can ask?
Yeah.
Tell them. There's no harm asking. That's pretty funny.
No. You got
Guys.
Snoopy instead.
Guys, you didn't think how is the thing gonna travel up?
Yeah. Yeah. Smart boy.
It's so sad.
Fuck the demon slayer.
Oh no. Look in this.
Please.
Look at it.
I want.
Oh, this one, right?
Yeah.
He's cute.
That's true. It is lobster.
I'm gonna get it. I feel like I would recommend trying this.
Yay. Cute little stand.
I think we're getting into a weird
Yummy,
area
yummy.
here.
Yeah, no, that's what
Hold on.
Fuji.
Tell me how it is. I will.
Can I see it all? Whoa, look at that fat piece over there.
This costs so much money.
Hi. Hello. Hello. So many options. Oh, it's alright.
So give me this.
Stir it up, Nelson.
My eyes are burning, guys. The smoke. Show them the area I went in. Look around. Alright. So we're gonna pour it in now. So we're mixing okonomiyaki. Is this?
Might be the mantra.
Wow. I think you meant to spread it all out, yeah.
Yeah, we'll make one first and then we'll save a bit for later.
How they're doing it.
Whoa, maybe I'll pour it all in.
Wow.
Saute the other ingredients in a little oil and then pour hot batter on the griddle. Place the cabbage on the batter. Then the sauteed ingredients.
A few moments later.
Wow. Finish.
What is this here?
That's my prawn. Good work.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.